In this video, we'll learn how to create custom polylines on the map using MAPOG. To begin, create a custom location and set the geometry type to polyline. If you need help creating templates and adding attributes, you can watch our detailed tutorial on how to create custom location templates. Now, click Add manually and select your polyline type custom location from the drop-down. Next, draw your polyline on the map by placing 2 or more points to form the line as shown in the video. Once you're done, confirm the shape. After that, add a title, a description, and any images if required. Then fill in all the attributes you've added in your template. To style your polyline, click the pencil or edit icon. Here, you can adjust the line width, color, and opacity according to your requirement. You can also modify the bounding box settings, such as zoom level, pitch, and rotation, to control how the polyline is displayed on the map. When everything is finalized, click Save, and your polyline will be added as a custom location on the map. In the next video, we'll understand about download process of the business location layer.